Hello, this is Brandon, the Vice Principal at Emory Adult Learning Center. I just want to share a quick tip on how to get on Google Classroom if your teacher's given you that access code. You're going to head to your App Store or Google Play Store, and you're going to hit search. Under that, you're going to type in Google Classroom, and you're going to install that app. I already have it installed, so mine says open, but yours will say get on an iPhone, or it'll let you install it on an Android. Once you're in, you may see that your top right hand corner you're already signed in. What you need to check to make sure is that that's your TDSB email. So on the picture of me in the top right corner, I'm going to click that. And I want to make sure that it's not my personal Gmail, but it's the TDSB Gmail. If that is not there, you're going to click add another account. And you're going to sign in with your TDSB Gmail, which is your first name dot your last name at student.tdsb.on.ca. You'd click next. And then what you get to is this screen. You may not have anything there, so you're going to click the plus sign in the bottom right hand corner, and you're going to click join class. Here you're going to put that code in your teacher's given you, and that just like that, you'll be enrolled in the class. We'll be posting more videos shortly on how to support you during these times that you'll be doing school from home. Thank you and have a great day.